Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make cool prompts on MidJourney using a tool called Noonshot. First, I'm going to generate a picture of a penguin holding a bomb, and then I will show you how this tool works and the different variations that it can create. Open Noonshot and add your original prompt in the top field. I will put a link in the description. You can change the settings from these buttons. You can choose from many different styles and adjust their strength. Copy the new prompt and paste it in MidJourney. You can see how the pictures completely changed. Now, I am going to change the style and the camera lens. This is what was generated. It looks pretty good. If you want to deselect an effect, click on it again. You also have different artists that you can choose from. I am going to try Jack Kirby. These images came out really cool as well. Now, I am going to try some of the materials. You can choose more than one. I'm going to add nylon and see what happens. This is a combination of quartz and nylon. And lastly, I'm going to try one more artist. As you can see, with this tool, you can easily improve your pictures, so give it a try. These are all of the generated pictures. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe. See you next time.